Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Yonis Rashid. Again, today I have my boys with me. Who? Isa, Gilbert, you know me, and
Chin.
So today we have Don't Laugh Challenge, which is we'll drink water, we watch something funny. The loser is the one who spit, which means don't laugh. I know who will spit more. This guy next to me. I know.
From now it's so hard.
Yeah.
First,
No, you first.
me first. What do you want me to say? Just let's get in.
So guys, before we start the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, and let's start. Please guys, don't spit on me. Really?
Oh, Clay wants to battle you. Bug got taken out. No, you didn't do that, Clay. You're just playing. You're just playing. You're just playing, bud.
Why is he crying? Palach, palach. All the way. All of them. What? You're acting or what? Not today.
Whoa.
So guys, that's it. I guess he's the winner because the three of us we spit it more than twice. So we have winner.
Winner.
So in the beginning, is
Then give me the cup.
So we have winner. So this guy, that's it. I hope you like the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and then what? Comment down below if you have any ideas, any challenge, anything to do. You're welcome. Right?
yes.
I'm saying warrior, warrior.
Warrior,
Warrior, warrior, warrior.
See you until next time. Bye bye.